My bad habits are never rewarded in trading. Let's talk about it because I had a banger of a trade this morning and then ended up, kind of breaking my rules and just trading with emotions and am ending the day minus 1R instead of plus 1R, which I started with today. So the first trade I hit was this double break trade. This is a trade I trade very frequently, really clean, banger, absolute banger. This was the wicks were right here. Like there's just nothing that I could have done differently to hit this trade. I mean, of course there is. I could have let it run for longer, but beyond that, I couldn't have done anything differently. And the mistake that I made, well, so this wasn't even a mistake. We were talking about it. This is technically the amateur trade, buying the breakout. However, we've been seeing this run, so I was willing to give it a shot, and I put on this much risk. I had a 5 point stop inside the opening range. I was looking for like 6 points out the top, and I ended up getting wicked out right here. And I was my original trade thesis was if this stop gets taken, I'm only playing with the profit on the day, and I'm gonna wait for this trade to represent. Then this candle happened, and I just immediately got back in, like just FOMO'd right back into the trade with the same stop. And then as it starts to come back down, I'm like, shit, I'm probably wrong. And I just got into a trade, trading fully out of emotion. So then now I'm down like $60 on the day or like $40 because I was up 90 and then down. Then I end up taking this trade right here, and I'm just looking for a bounce off the daily VWAP now, literally just trying to get some profit, like just trying to make back whatever I lost, like trading super emotionally, not accepting the trade because it's like I did technically put the trade on like this. So I could have been able to get back out at break even now, but I just pulled it right here 3 minutes after the trade. I pulled it as soon as it started going. I was like, I'm just going to cut the bleeding and, really just overthought it today. Had a really nice trade and then just gave it all back and some. So, it's extremely frustrating to be in this position, where you're seeing the market well, you're creating a thesis, but then, you basically don't hold to your thesis and then let the emotions of, basically just wanting profit, just being greedy. It's not even emotions, it's just being greedy and not being able to take the loss and move on. So, you know, I just want to record this video and speak on it because this is something that I've been now thinking about all morning and can't really get out of my head. So, um, you know, just the struggles, especially because now I'm trading a live account. So this is my personal money. It's not like a prop firm or anything. So it's like I just made, $100 and then I just lost $100. And, of course it's just $100, but to me, $100 maybe is different than for you $100, and obviously not like there's plenty of money in the account where like $100 doesn't really affect that much, but it's still enough for me where I respect money. I simply put, I respect money, and it's like I feel so stupid for like just going outside of the plan and outside of what I know works and makes money, because it's like when I hit trades, like I do that in the morning, I'm like, man, I got this is it. And then I just like slowly lose it in the afternoon. So, maybe something's there to be said about taking a better break after the first trade and not staying at the desk. Like, but you never know. Everything's always in hindsight. So, trying my best to keep improving every day as a trader and share this journey with everybody.